Brie, which you see right here, is the perfect snack. Now, it's perfect just the way it is, okay? But there's a new viral trend that I just had to try. I am going to make a dippable chip out of Brie cheese.
Stop it. What do you stop it?
Have you seen this?
No.
What? I like you DJing today, Katie. Yeah, you're gonna fall in love with this. I'm gonna show you how to make my easy Brie Brittle with fig dip.
Oh, I'm so here for this.
So Jeezy has already begun. He is getting some juice from an orange, a couple of navel oranges, no seeds.
OJ gravy.
Yeah, you know I love OJ, right?
I was gonna say it.
Orange juice is just, it's so important in my kitchen because if you ever need liquid, why don't you add flavor instead of water, right? And so what I'm gonna do is loosen up this fig spread. You can loosen it with water if you want, but why not give it a little bit of, you know, with some orange juice, some fresh orange juice. So Jeezy's doing that for me. Then also there's some time if you can pick the leaves and just chop them down if you need to for me, I'd appreciate that. But before we do that, I wanna get the cheese cooked. Okay, I'm gonna show you what you do now. These are tiny little Brie bites. You've seen these.
I've seen them.
I love them.
I'm going to, now sometimes you'll see they already have lines in them from how they're resting on the cloth. And I'm just gonna go in and 50% that line, if you will, right? So halfway through that line, you can see. And this works best if they're cold. This is a parchment paper.
So you're just slicing them up.
Just slicing them up.
Could you do this with a big wheel of Brie and slice
You could
it up?
do it with a big wheel of Brie, but two things, okay? One, obviously, you're gonna have to cook it a little bit longer. And when you're doing it with a big wheel of Brie, you're going to sometimes miss the full coverage of the rind, right? When you go through
That's
it.
what keeps it intact.
Yeah, wanna hold it together, yeah?
I see.
Wow.
So these little bites. And these bites are starting to show up, right, at the grocery store. Before it'd be hard to find them, but these cute little bites are showing up.
Oh, I see my kids snack every day.
Yeah.
Wrapped individually, it's perfect.
So now, kind of like cookies, you want to give some space on your plate or tray here. Make sure that your plate or tray is microwave safe.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
whoa. Stop the clock.
He didn't hear me.
Microwave safe, he said.
Yes. So I'm going to microwave these Brie slices.
What?
Yes.
Hey,
For
Jeffrey
about...
puts fish in the microwave. It's okay.
Put
Thank
everything in the
you.
microwave.
Yeah,
You can put Brie in there.
And don't forget, not only does he microwave his fish, he microwaves his eggs.
And asparagus.
Yes. Okay, so about 3 minutes until they're slightly golden and puffed up.
Oh, I don't understand what's gonna happen.
wait.
No idea.
It's
Zero
gonna
idea.
explode.
Did you just do this at Le Cirque?
While that is microwaving, and Jeezy's probably gonna eat bits of Brie.
I am, because you left it right in front of me.
I'm gonna show you how to make a really quick dip. I mean, think about it. If you have like a charcuterie board or a cheese board, you're always gonna have some fig spread.
I'm so excited. I love figs and cheese.
Same.
Oof.
I'm so
Same,
hungry. I've done nothing
same.
but
So
snack today,
good.
so it keeps you like, I'm like still hungry. You know what I mean? Even though I'm snacking.
Some of that fresh orange juice.
Oh,
Maybe not all of it. I've got some golden raisins
hey now.
chopped down. You can add them in there. Let them plump up.
I can hear things happening in that
Can you?
microwave.
Don't look. Just wait.
No, I
What
can
would
look.
happen?
I'm
Like,
sous
could
chef, I
you
can
just
look.
do those in the oven and cook them longer?
There's something about the fast cook that really makes it puff up. The air comes out of the cheese and makes it crisp. So I would recommend just microwaving
In Italy,
it.
they fry, make a little frito with Parmesan cheese.
Exactly. A little bit of white wine vinegar went in. A little pinch of salt. And come back in here with some black pepper.
Boulders of black pepper.
Yeah, I like to loosen it up. That's my move right there. But this is really just to rehydrate. That orange, you can also add the zest in if you like, but that orange just kind of adds a little bit of to it because I feel like fig spread is thick. It's super sugary, you know, and Brie has also got like this kind of creamy, heavy flavor, so it's nice to come in here and hook it up with a little bit of tart. So after this cooks down a little bit and it reduces, it's gonna come back to a nice...
What a great smell.
Yeah, don't you love it? The smell of Brie.
Sunny, this might be like the most excited for a dish
Yeah?
I've been the entire
Listen,
day.
sometimes when you're just hanging out online and you see these people doing these trendy things, sometimes it's just like, no, it doesn't pass the snuff test.
And
But
then
this-
every once in a while, it's like, oh my gosh,
Uh-oh, with
Brie
6
chips
seconds.
in the
Yeah?
microwave.
Are we 6 away?
2,
Oh, man.
1.
Two. What?
Okay. Are you guys ready for this?
Yeah.
I'm so ready.
All right,
Mind
there goes our
blown.
dip.
Oh man.
All
I don't
right.
even know what it's gonna look like.
Oh, snap.
Is it warm?
Is it warm?
No, I mean,
Well,
do
let
you
me
have to let it
introduce you to
cool?
the microphone.
Yeah, I mean, am I gonna blow them?
You're gonna let some cool.
So great.
It's like
And
pumped
then-
up.
sponges.
So I've got some right here
They
that'll
look
cool
identical.
down.
Who came up with this? Like, who is?
Listen
Who
to
was
this.
sitting around
Are you ready?
thinking, let me microwave
Listen,
my brie?
listen.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Sounds like a little crostini almost.
Wow.
Yeah.
I
You see
mean-
those videos where people are like,
Oh, yeah, that's the big thing.
ASMR.
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Best cheese cracker.
Will you pass down some of the warm
Yes,
ones, too?
I
I,
will.
want to try
Yeah,
one.
we'll try some warm
also.
ones.
Feel warm as well. Put the warm
Wow.
on the outside.
I'll
I
tell
mean, someone had the munchies when they did this. I'll just put it that way.
Hello.
Listen.
you, Sonny, if you put a little piece of prosciutto on that,
Would be
Also-
so crazy,
Oh.
right?
So excited.
Oh man.
honestly,
Just
that's a great.
the whole
You like?
thing down.
I mean, you know, internet's not all bad.
No, it's that some of this stuff works. And
I
we're
always-
sitting there, we're
yeah.
doing it for you guys.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh,
It's
man.
a punch of flavor.
It's so crazy.
All right, let me try this.
That is.
It's like those orange cheese crackers in the store. You know those really salty orange ones.
I mean, how quick and easy, too.
Super easy, 3 minutes. Obviously, you know, different microwaves, different timing, but you can see,
Thank you, chef.
of course, cheesy.
I mean,
Have fun.
not only in a dip, in a salad, in a soup,
Good idea.
you know?
In a salad.
I mean,
would
of
be
course-
Sprinkle it
awesome.
over the top.
My mind's saying like on a soft sandwich, like a soft roll with some like Parisian ham and that crispy on the bottom. Just save my whole
Cheese or
thing.
salad.
Oh, even better.
Oh, yeah.
Come on now.
I mean, this is beyond brilliant. I was a little skeptical at first. I didn't know how it was gonna come out of the microwave. If it was gonna be crispy or chippy, but it's everything you ever wanted, like a cheese cracker to be. And guess
Thank
what?
you, Internet.
Hey, might I add, no carbs, bro.
That's
No
right.
carbs, so good for your tummy, I guess.